Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to seamlessly integrate PayPal into your Wix website. If you're looking to start accepting payments, donations, or even set up a proper online store, this tutorial is going to make the process truly simple. By the end, you'll be able to connect your PayPal account with your Wix site, giving your visitors an easy way to pay you, which is great for business, side projects, or fundraising. Let's dive right in. First things first. You'll need to head over to your Wix site's design dashboard. This is usually the place where you build and arrange all the elements visitors see. If it's been a while since you've logged in, don't worry, just go to Wix.com, sign into your account, and select the site you want to update. Getting into the design area is key because that's where you add new features like payment buttons. Now look to the top right corner of your Wix editor. You'll see a search bar up there. It's a real-time saver when you're looking for templates, features, or apps. Give it a click and then simply type PayPal into the box. Wix offers a few different PayPal options, but for this example, let's focus on the classic, the PayPal Buy button. This widget lets users make quick purchases or contributions. It's one of the most straightforward ways to give your audience a method to pay you directly without extra fuss. Select the PayPal Buy button in the results. The next thing that happens is Wix will show you the option to add PayPal info. Think of this step as connecting the dots between your website and your PayPal account, almost like wiring up a cash register. Click Add PayPal Info. This is where you'll enter your PayPal details, usually just the email address associated with your PayPal account. Double-check that you're using the correct and active email, since any payments will go straight to that account. Take your time here. It's worth making sure you get this right to avoid complications later. Once you've entered your PayPal info, you can simply close the window when you're done. If Wix asks you to save, always do so just to make sure your details are secured. It's actually pretty remarkable how fast this process is. After closing, your new PayPal button should appear on your web page. From here, you can drag it anywhere you want, whether it's at the top of your homepage, tucked into a product page, or featured in a donation section. You're in control of how it looks and where it goes, and that's really all there is to it. You've now integrated PayPal into your Wix website. Your visitors will see the familiar PayPal branding, which helps establish trust and makes the payment process much smoother for everyone. If you ever want to update your button, change your PayPal account, or tweak the design, you can repeat these steps or explore more advanced options in the Wix editor. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop your questions in the comments below. I always check and try to answer. And if you want more practical guides for growing your online presence, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.